असां कुछ नई ॻाल्हि कई आहे सिंधी थोड़ो माफ़ कजो मां इंग्लिश में ॻाल्हायां Okay. So this year we wanted to do a little something different, and Omar Johnny Sheikh and Qasim Sumro, I really can't do this one in Sindhi. Come here. Okay, so we came up with a website. It's SYNA.org. Go back. Okay, so basically the purpose of the website is to engage people that come to SYNA and also engage people who aren't at SYNA. And it's the main networking component at this point for SYNA to broaden its horizons.
अगर तव्हां वटि फेसबुक आहे त तव्हांखे ख़बर आहे कि तव्हां प्रोफाइल ठाहे पंहिंजे दोस्तनि सां ॻाल्हाए था सघो हुन ते हुननि जा फोटोज़ ॾिसी था सघो हुननि सां चैट था करे सघो सो लिटरली Johnny and Qasim उहा ही शइ ठाही आहे but just for Sindhi people. They have done something really great. So it's like a Facebook but for Sindhi people only. तव्हां वञो तव्हां पंहिंजी प्रोफाइल ठाहियो तव्हां हिक ॿिए खे फ्रेंड कयो it's just networking just for Sindhi people. I think SYNA can use it. It would be brilliant. Facebook they instead of looking for all these people and Sindhi people from Pakistan, Australia, all over the world have joined the website that these two guys have created. So if you see them, tell them good job. It's amazing.
So on the website, there's many different things. It's not just networking. You can talk to your friends and all that. But I think frequently Johnny posts a lot of articles that has to do with Sindh, music, everything. So even you all should visit and support it and try to get more people to join. And that is it for that. Thank you.